friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some DIY LOL surprise balls. My daughter had a LOL birthday party. Make sure you check out the videos for the other links of birthday party videos. I will leave those in the description for you. I did not want to buy the surprise LOL balls. They cost too much, so I decided to make my own. And actually I was able to find these balls on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. Now we're going to pull out all the supplies. I got these from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Amazon. Depending upon whatever you want to put in them, that's when your creativity comes. But I just chose some things I thought the girls would like. I have tissue paper that I'm cutting up into little squares. I'm going to use these to wrap each toy in one by one. And as you see, once it's wrapped up, I place it inside the biggest part of the ball, and then I go ahead to the next item and do the same thing, kind of just fold it and wrap it up and push it into the ball. So we had some star bubbles that I was wrapping up, and then we had some little coin purses. These are LOL stickers that we're wrapping up, and then we're going to do a few pieces of candy and some small little keychain poppets. Okay, we're done stuffing the balls. Once you get all the party favors in there, you just push them in there really good, and you want to smush the ball down. You'll hear it make like a click noise to make sure that it's secure and closed. And now we're going to go ahead and decorate the ball, the LOL surprise ball. I did find this on Google, and I just downloaded them and just shrunk them to size to fit these LOL balls. Just look through the Google images, and I'm going ahead and get this cut down to size. And then I'm going to use some packing tape to go ahead and secure this onto the ball. Now, because the shape of this is a rectangle, it's not going to fit the ball perfectly, but I go ahead and just push it down with some packing tape anyway. It does scrunch the image up a little bit, but it still looks nice. And and these are the things I'm going to be using to add to the ball. We have some LOL stickers and then some bling decal that I did get from the Dollar Tree. What I'm looking through now is my sticker book. I have many LOL girls that I'm going to put on first around the ball just to kind of spread it out in different places. I think I'll use about 3 or 4 LOL girl stickers and just place them around the LOL ball. And also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. And now I'm going to get some more of the stickers. They had hearts and stars. I'm going to add some of those to the balls to fill them in as well. And now it's time to bling it up with our bling. This came from the Dollar Tree. Check your local Dollar Trees. And all I'm doing is looking for the empty spaces in the balls and just adding different sides of the little gems to different places to go ahead and fill up the rest of the LOL ball. And that's it, friends. That's how I made these DIY LOL balls for my daughter LOL 8th birthday, and the kids just loved them and they had the best time opening them up and seeing what was inside.
It's a mystery. Let's open this one first. Wait, the mini one? Which one are you going to open?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification to be notified when I upload new videos. Check out my other LOL birthday party videos and have a royal day.